Welcome to 14198 Caminito Vistana, offering unobstructed canyon views nestled in the exclusive guard-gated community of Fairbanks Highlands Estates. This meticulously designed custom home sits on a sprawling 1.43-acre lot, offering unparalleled privacy and luxury. As you enter, you're greeted by beautiful and lush landscaping, complete with a charming courtyard entrance and a variety of flourishing gardens. Inside, the home exudes elegance and sophistication. The formal entry welcomes you with vaulted ceilings, exquisite woodwork, and a grand staircase. The chef's dream kitchen is a culinary masterpiece. A large center island, high-end appliances, built-in Miele coffee and espresso maker, and a fully equipped butler's kitchen for entertaining. Enjoy an open floor plan layout that carefully blends with functionality and luxury. The spacious primary bedroom retreat provides unobstructed canyon and mountain views with a sitting room, fireplace, and 2 full walk-in closets. Unwind in a library or work from home in the attached stately office space. Step into the backyard oasis, lounge by the endless solar-heated pool and spa, as well as a flourishing koi pond. A full outdoor kitchen equipped with an 8-rack smoker, a Viking grill and cooktop, and infrared heaters, multiple outdoor sitting areas, and a fireplace for cozy gatherings. This backyard is designed for wildlife enjoyment with glass fencing for clear canyon views. Additionally, there's a separate pool house with California doors that open up completely, perfect for that Zen, meditation, yoga room, along with a detached full bathroom. This home offers 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, Fairbanks Highlands community offers expansive lots, supreme privacy, and the true Southern California lifestyle. Immerse yourself in luxury living, where every detail reflects pride of ownership and unparalleled quality.